Shalom fam. So I have a channel called Live Light Well, and I'd like to share it with you. It's also at Live Light Well 8 on YouTube. And I'm starting one up also here on TikTok in the event that TikTok stays. I'm praying TikTok will stay up. I'm doing a fast right now, family. I'm doing a juice fast before Pesach. And so I'd like to share with you what I'm fasting with. And I'm going to put this on my new TikTok channel, and it'll also be on my YouTube Live Light Well channel. Shalom.
If you leave me a good time, I swear you are like the oxygen I need to survive.
And I use the papaya seeds.
I am so obsessed.
So here's what I'm just juicing for the day, and then I'll also make myself some tamarind juice. And probably have a little bit of Irish moss. It's not necessarily Hebraic. Bam, go ahead and get CHAYA Eat Life and Fast from intoalltruth.net. You can also Google it as livelightwell.com. Pick up the book in the shop area so that you can eat with a Hebraic lifestyle and diet. Shalom.